In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Share My Location with friends and family on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and there tap at your name here to open up your Apple ID settings. Now, here tap at Find My. And now there you can find Share My Location option. This option allows you to share your location with family and friends in Messages and Find My. Also, make personal requests using Siri or HomePod and use automations in the Home app. And just hit at that switcher to enable that option if you want to enable it. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.